Hi, we have been hired to reorganize the supply chain for Company XYZ's new location in Boston, Massachusetts. We are using the SCOR model as our supply chain operations reference model. This is a management tool used to address, improve, and communicate supply chain management decisions within a company and with suppliers and customers of a company. The SCOR model identifies 5 key processes: plan, source, make, deliver, and return. What is the demand for XYZ's lawn and garden products in the northeastern United States? In 2015, Americans spent over $29 billion on lawn care products. Although the lawn care product sales are climate-driven, the northeastern United States ranked third behind the southwestern United States and the southeastern part of the country in total dollars spent on lawn care. Out of all the metropolitan areas in the United States, the Northeast holds 6 spots on the list of the top 18 areas that spent the most on lawn care in 2016. How will we meet the demand that our area of operation dictates? XYZ Lawn Care has recently opened a brand new 90,000 square foot manufacturing and distribution plant in Boston, Massachusetts. From this location, we will be able to produce 5 best-selling product lines, easily access Massachusetts shipping ports, and efficiently deliver our products through our company-owned fleet of trucks. How will we measure the efficiency of our supply chain? XYZ Lawn and Garden will measure the effectiveness of their supply chain using 3 key metrics: cash-to-cash cycle time, which measures the days between paying for materials and getting paid for product; inventory turnover, which is the number of times of inventory cycles per year; and average payment period for production materials, which is the average time from receipt received to payment made. What do we make and how will we acquire materials needed to make our products? Our key materials include steel, hard plastics, and wood needed to make our products. Due to our company's high demand for steel, we use a multiple source procurement system for our steel needs. We receive steel from multiple suppliers here in the United States. The locations include Fort Lauderdale, Florida, Brooklyn, New York, and Farmington Hills. The just-in-time approach will be very beneficial for Company XYZ. The just-in-time approach is a lean inventory strategy that seeks to reduce costs by having the required amount of materials arrive at the production location at the exact time they are needed. This strategy is used throughout our procurement procedures, but especially for our steel products due to high expense of using American-made steel. Due to the fact that we pay a higher premium for American-made steel, XYZ Lawn and Garden has chosen to acquire its hard plastic products using global sourcing, an overseas producer. Again, due to our high demand for this product, we will use multiple source procurement. The 5 main products that we produce are spreaders, garden shovels and trowels, pruners and loppers, rakes, and wheelbarrows. Global sourcing costs. Global sourcing refers to buying components and inputs anywhere in the world. It is driven by 2 primary reasons: the factor input strategy and the market access strategy. Because global sourcing increases the distance that components and inputs must be moved, we must consider trade-offs between transportation and holding costs. In order to determine when and how much to order, Company XYZ will be using the fixed order quantity. Fixed order quantity is a system where inventory is replenished at a set quantity every time it is ordered. This will help to limit mistakes in orders, conserve storage space, and prevent unnecessary expenses. This will allow XYZ Lawn and Garden to not waste any product or money by only ordering the amount that they need. XYZ Lawn and Garden have chosen the fixed order quantity strategy when it comes to the procurement of our hard plastics. This especially helps us when dealing with overseas manufacturers as a process of acquiring product from China, as we aim to have as little global sourcing issues as possible. As a company that cares about sustainability and the future of our planet, we have decided that with our procurement of the wood necessary to produce our products, we will take the most environmentally responsible approach and only use the most responsible suppliers of wood. Investment recovery identifies opportunities to recover revenues or reduce costs associated with scrap, surplus, obsolete, and waste materials. This increases the seller's revenues while addressing specific environmental considerations. XYZ Company is aiming to make operations as efficient as possible by reducing the amount of waste. We can do this by finding ways to reuse materials so that they do not have to go to waste. We can also transfer materials to other areas and sell other scrap materials. We have chosen Big Creek Lumber and Certified Wood Products to be our suppliers of wood. All of our products are created using steel, plastic, and wood. Each product goes through a unique process to turn them into the correct form. The products we create have to be top of the line to do the top of the line work that we are dedicated to. This is the process of producing a wheelbarrow. This is the process of producing our rakes. This is the process of producing our shovels. Our products are packaged with our logo. How do we ship our products? XYZ Lawn and Garden of Boston, Massachusetts delivers its products in the New England area. We own and operate a fleet of over 100 trucks. We are centrally located in the New England area, which allows truck-based transportation to be the most efficient option. We currently employ 50 full-time truck drivers and have another 50 that are part-time. This allows us to be more flexible with our clients, as many of our customers prefer a vendor-managed inventory. Vendor-managed inventory is a system in which the size and timing of replenishment orders into a retailer's system are the manufacturer's responsibility. Access to a distributor's or retailer's sales and inventory data are accessed through electronic data interchange, EDI, or the internet. This gives vendors more control over when and how inventory is shipped to customers. Many of our smaller retailers of our products prefer this because of their fluctuating demand for certain products. Although errors are expected when VMI is starting out. How do we manage our orders? We use an Oracle computer program to help organize all aspects of receiving and sending orders. Benefits from this Oracle system include track our incoming orders based on time sensitivity. It helps us keep track of exactly what products we need for each order, and helps manage precise order numbers and location for delivery of each order.